Good afternoon to all of you. Today we will start Power Query. Power Query related to text functions and various text functions like lowercase, uppercase, string, and all. To do those text functions, we have to load the data. To load the data, we need CSV file or Excel file. So in the steps, we will see how to load the data. First of all, we have to open Power Query. Power BI desktop, we are opening. Power BI desktop, we are opening. And from Excel workbook, we have to load the data. Go to Excel workbook and we are taking one Excel sheet. Click on open. The data will be loaded. Now there are two sheets. We are checking one sheet, this one. I want to transform that sheet. To transforming, we have to click on transform data. There are the fields like salesperson, region, account, order amount, and month. In order amount column, we need to change the data type. Here we want to change the data type from whole number to another data type. So that is already given whole number. There are few more data types. Decimal number, it will be changed to decimal number. If we click, it will be changed to decimal. And in the properties, we can change the properties also of that table. So now I have to take another column and I have to create the first three digits of the month. Clear? So how to do this? Here I have to right click, then we have to take another column, new column, add column. There are several options to add column. So I want to take add column option. Here one column is added. We have click on OK. And if we cancel it, the column will be changed. If we revert back to change type, it will be in the whole number again. So we can redo it or undo it. Now the data is being loaded. We no need to change it again. So we will click on home, then close and apply option. So data will be finally saved and it will be close and apply. Now we will check apply changes option. Apply changes. See, the data will be loaded. So it works on ETL method. Already we have discussed ETL, that means extract, transform, load. So now the transformation done. Now we want to load the data. So final loading will be completed. Now the data is being loaded. How to see the data? Click on data option. Here are the month, amount, order amount, and salesperson. Now I want to see the representation of that data. So we have three view: report view, table view, and model view. So report view will be our front end and back end will be our table view. So we will go to the table view option, right? In table view, we can create new column. In new column, there will be the column that will be created. If we want to change the column like month month in short, so it will be month in short, right? We are taking the function that will be left function, and within left function we have to take month. Where is the month? Month, that means the table 1 month. So table 1 month will be taken. Now we have to close the bracket. Now press enter. So one new column will be created, that will be the initial alphabet of each and every month. So if we take three letter, then we have to select the index 3, that will come first 3 alphabet of the months, right? I have to press enter. So first 3 alphabets a month will be extracted, right? I want to create it in uppercase. That means I want to create it in capital letter. So I need to add another function that is called upper, and we are creating the bracket for upper and close the bracket and press enter. So month will be in capital letters. So this is the functions we are creating on Power Query using Power BI data view option or table view option. Right now I am coming back to my PPT. So this step already we have discussed how to get data from the Excel file or from the CSV file. Then we have discussed the steps how to add the data. Then we have discussed how to transform the data. That means we have to change the data type from whole number to decimal number or anything else. We have already seen in our practical work. Then we have done few transformation using text functions. So data analysis expression DAX include a set of text function based on the library of the string function in Excel, but which have been modified to work with the table and column in the tabular models. So already we have seen how text function work in our tabular model. Next, we have discussed left functions. Okay. Yes. Then we have to know concatenate function. How to work concatenate function. So concatenate function used to join two or more string into one larger string, right? So how to do this concatenate? I am going to this section. Suppose I want to add one column, there should be region at the beginning, then the salesperson. So I want to take another column. How to create the column already we have discussed. We need to select it. We need to select it. Right click on that, new column. New column. In the new column option, we are choosing the column name. The column name should be what? The column name should be sales with region. Sales with region. So region will be added after the salesperson name, right? So how to do this? Equals. Then we have to use salesperson. We have to concatenate. Concatenate function. Concatenate. Then Then the number of the arguments we need. First one is salesperson, table salesperson, comma. Second one is our space. Third one is our uh, um, region, right? So region. So it will be table region. Then it will be table region. Then bracket close. Then press enter. Then press enter. So table region. Okay, just 1 minute. Concatenate table region. So that will be region, right? Region, table region, and I need to close the bracket. Now we have to press enter. See, Albertson East, Davis South. Okay, so the two string is added together. This is known as concatenate, right? Already we have done those things in Excel. Now we are doing those functions in Power BI also. I am coming back to my PowerPoint again. Similar like that, the left function we can create right function. Also we can use trim function. Trim function is removes the space from the text. It can remove the space, unwanted space it will remove from the text. This is the main use of the trim function, right? So the steps we have already discussed, those are given using the steps in this PowerPoint. Lowercase is similar like the uppercase. It will be in small in letter, and uppercase it was in capital in letter. Trim function it will remove the space. Already those are given in my PowerPoint. Now, how to split with the delimiters. Okay. So, split means it will break into two or three columns. Just the reverse of the function concatenate. Similar like the concatenate. Concatenates means it join two column in a larger one. And split means it will split it into two or more columns, right? This is the just opposite method. Transform data. Already we have transformed the data. Thank you. Thanks for watching my video.